Let's start by getting all the dicing and chopping done. Dice 1 medium onion. Dice the onion as finely as you can. Now place the onion into a large bowl and reserve it to the side for later. Let's add some more aromatics. Smash and dice 2 garlic cloves. Pop it into our bowl. Now let's add 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 cup of cooked white rice, and a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to make sure everything binds. Crack in 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of some Worcestershire for some acidity. We season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. It's mixing time! Thoroughly mix all the ingredients of your cabbage roll stuffing, and then the filling is all done. Wasn't that easy? Now grab your largest soup pot and fill it halfway full with some water. I only fill it halfway to make sure when we add the cabbage it doesn't overflow. Let's bring our pot over to the stove. Turn the stove to high heat. Now it's finally time to prepare the cabbage. Aren't you excited? Now we really need to be very careful with this part. Using a large knife, cut out the core of the cabbage. You can see here I went around the core making deep slices to each side. Now slowly and carefully carve the core out. Take your time and be patient with this part. You don't want to lose a finger. Once it's carved out, take out your muscles and give it a good pull. Now loosen up the cabbage ends so that it comes out easier later. You'll see. Now let's bring it to the stove. Now with great caution, slowly and gently place your cabbage into the boiling pot. Now as you leave your cabbage in the boiling water, you'll see that the outer leaves will come out so easily. One by one, pull out the leaves with some tongs. Try to do this with as many leaves as possible. There should be no resistance. Simple. Once you get all the cabbage leaves out of the pot, you're ready to get rolling. Place 1 cabbage leaf onto a cutting board and cut out the stem at the end. This will make it easier for you to roll. Now add your meat and rice filling from before and shape it into a roll. Let's roll. We do the bottom first, right side, left side, and roll. Shall we do it one more time? Let's place the cabbage on the cutting board and cut out the core. Now you can put as much meat and rice filling as you want, but just make sure they're the same amount with each cabbage roll. Now let's do it again. Bottom, right, left, and roll. We are almost done. Now into an oven-safe pan, pour about half a jar of marinara sauce. You can use your favorite marinara here. pour in half for the bottom layer and swirl it all around. Now it's time to put in your beautiful cabbage rolls. Now pour the remaining half of the marinara sauce and rinse out the jar with half a cup of water. This will prevent your cabbage rolls from drying out. Put on a lid or some aluminum foil, and it's time to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 90 minutes. Voila! And there you have it, your very own cabbage rolls. If you like this recipe, check out my stuffed peppers.